So I had to take a break from doing the 23 video to make this video real quick. Because there are events taking place in the world, and even Christians in the truth community are misleading and misled. They are deceived and deceiving. Not on purpose, I don't think, but deceiving nonetheless. So the auroras were seen everywhere across the world. And in my Woe to the Earth video, I showed you that this is a sign from the fallen angels. The fallen angels are making the fake auroras, and they can be seen across the earth. Now, back in November, HAARP was putting out this thing about why scientists use radio transmitters to create artificial auroras, saying that they can create artificial auroras because they know, okay, the wicked controllers of this realm, the men, know that the fallen are going to do these things, okay, and the fallen are trying to reveal themselves, but the controllers of this realm don't want to give up control. So they have put things in place like HAARP and Project Bluebeam, so that when people see these things coming on the earth, when people see these things in the sky, they associate them with HAARP or with Project Bluebeam. But that couldn't be any further from the truth. This is exactly why they put this stuff out, so that people will believe it. And they'll believe all these things. Now, I've done a video on Project Bluebeam showing you what it really is, and it has nothing to do with making fake stuff and holograms in the sky. Okay? That's a psyop, so that when these things are in the sky, like right now, people will say, oh, that's Project Bluebeam. Okay? Do you really think that they would let all that information slip out? I mean, come on. They made it look like it slipped out so that people would believe it. And people do believe it. Project Bluebeam has nothing to do with the sky. It has everything to do with your screens, your phones, your TVs, and the pulsing blue light that can be emitted and hold messaging and controls. If you want to know about it, I done a video about it not too long ago. Just go look up Project Bluebeam in my playlist of videos and you will find it. And I show you the patent, I show you everything. But what they want you to believe is that it has something to do with them making holograms in the sky or being able to fake auroras or whatever. Okay, because this is the fallen angels doing this stuff. But they don't want you to know the fallen angels are doing these things. So even the unlearned Christians are putting forth the narrative of the enemy. Now, just like some Christians pick and choose what to believe in the Bible, people are picking and choosing what to believe in the media. You can't believe the media at all, okay? No matter what they're telling you. That's the world's narrative. So how are you going to say the news is fake, but when they report on HAARP being able to emit auroras, you're going to say, oh, that's real? How are you going to pick and choose? It's either all a lie or it's all true. Just like they do with the scriptures, they do with this realm in the media. They pick and choose what's real and what's not by their own opinions. But I'm telling you, these are the signs. Fallen angels are doing the auroras. Not HAARP, not some fake Project Bluebeam thing in the sky. Okay, believe me, when there's things flying in the sky, it's not Project Bluebeam. Those are things flying in the sky. Okay, because these things are going to come on the earth, because this is what mankind wants. So they're going to get it. Now, you can see here that this is one of those fact check sites, right? And it's talking about a Facebook post, not a news article, a Facebook post saying Aurora Borealis sightings, fabricated light show created by a HAARP experiment. Now they're saying this statement is false. right? Because we all know that these fact checker sites always say the opposite of the truth. So when they say false, people are automatically going to assume that it's true. Another psyop, okay? These media sites, news, this stuff cannot be trusted. Okay? The government cannot be trusted. Project Bluebeam wasn't slipped out by accident. It was put out because it's a psyop. Okay? That's not the real Project Bluebeam. The real Project Bluebeam has already done its job. Believe it. Now, something else that's happening is this. This just took place in Guatemala. Luke 10:18, and he, Jesus, said unto them, I beheld Satan as lightning fall from heaven. And in the book of Enoch, chapter 44, it says, also another phenomena I saw in regard to the lightnings, how some of the stars arise and become lightning, and cannot part with their new form. Remember, stars are angels. So he's seeing that some of these angels become lightning and cannot part from their new form. They have to stay lightning. Revelation 9:1. And the fifth angel sounded, and I saw a star fall from heaven unto the earth. And to him was given the key to the bottomless pit. And he opened the bottomless pit, and there arose a smoke out of the pit, as the smoke of a great furnace. And the sun and the air were darkened by reason of the smoke of the pit. Now, once again, I'm not saying that this is the event Revelation was talking about, but these are signs for us to know the times are upon us. Okay? Wickedness is right around the corner, you guys, and these are signs for us to see. Okay, this is the whole purpose of being a watchman, is to see these things for what they truly are and to warn God's people. So that's what I'm doing. Don't believe the narrative. Take these things to the Lord in prayer. Don't write everything off as man-made this, man-made that, government's doing this, government's doing that. Understand that that's what the government wants you to think, because then you're giving them all the power. Okay? These are fallen angel signs. This is fallen entities, and we're seeing them manifesting in our realm right now, and people are writing them off as coincidence, or HAARP, or Project Bluebeam, or lightning always goes into volcanoes, whatever, what have you. Okay? We need to use our spiritual discernment. Forget about what you think, what you feel. What does the Holy Spirit tell you? That's all that matters. And that's why I came on here real quick, just to make this short video, to put this out there to you so that you can do with it what you will. Because I'm watching all these videos come out, and all these people are deceived. Because I can see the truth. And that is what I'm sharing with you. So I hope you can receive it. Take care.